Hello there. Welcome to Graded. We are committed to making your transition to São Paulo the best experience possible. Graded's Human Resources team is here to assist you with any technical issues regarding your home, including electricity, furniture, and plumbing. Cool, isn't it? Take a look at some ways we can help you. Graded is available to help you with wiring, power outlets, and those household appliances loaned by the school. However, you are responsible for installing or repairing your own personal effects, those appliances not provided by Graded. The same goes for replacing wires or power outlets to install these appliances. Graded will help you to remove or repair any furniture provided by the school. We will also take care of any plumbing issues, such as leaks in your apartment. If you need assistance with other types of home improvement, HR can help you find the necessary third-party service providers. We're here to help you with the language barrier. If you need help communicating with service providers, our Human Resources team will assist you. Please note, Graded is not responsible for the care and maintenance of your household appliances and personal effects. One more thing, if you need to schedule delivery, product installation, or service, please choose a day when you're available to wait for the technician. Graded cannot send someone to wait in your place. Agreed? To request support, access Graded's homepage at www.graded.br and click on Help Desk. There, you can open help desk tickets for any home service related issues. Quick tip: you can also open help tickets for any questions you might have about your payroll, benefits, health insurance, and other important issues. If you have any questions, please contact our HR team. We are here to help.